And on the other side, oh, let me show you her shaved head again. So there's Jade going in the fridge for some stuff.
You guys want a piece of delicious cheddar?
Yes, I do.
Cheddar.
It's aged 2 years.
Dude, oh my god. It's not even a half pound, and it was $5.
Yeah.
It's like so expensive shit.
Yeah.
It's from Ireland, my people.
Why is this in here?
That's another one.
Oh.
That's a different one. Don't look on that one.
That's where all your naked pics are.
Well, they're not naked. They're me in some underwear that I bought, but I was really hairy.
So.
My Wacky Mac.
Wacky Mac. You got a little boy. Ow!
Why would you do that?
I didn't grab the stove. I grabbed the noodle, and it was hot.
So there's that.
Gotta let it boil, and then let it dry. Dry. Cool.
Here you are. Try that.
Oh my gosh.
Old cheese.
That's some old cheese, nigga.
That's some old ass cheese.
Radar, and Ted, and Jade, and Lori. Okay, that's enough for now. Bye.